Today is the second day out here in Atlanta and we're running late. It's about 8:30 a.m. We have to get up at the salon by 9:30, set up and get the models coming at 10. But the big dilemma of this morning is the fact that this bag broke. We're gonna go directly to the airport. We're not gonna be coming back to the house, so we have to get it moving. And we're out here in Atlanta. HairQueen LA just team up with this beautiful salon owned by the one and only Kaylee. And today we have an event where we're gonna be giving our influencer a full transformation to show you guys the kind of look you guys could get by coming to her beautiful store here in Atlanta. Tell us about your company.
I'm the owner of Kariah Hair Salon. Actually been in this location for almost 12 years.
12 years. And for everyone in Atlanta, this is the place to be if you want to purchase top quality bundles, top quality wigs, get them installed by top hairstylists. There's only one place to go. Happy and excited for this partnership.
Amen.
And I'm here with the beautiful model, Tyler. We're about to try on a few wigs. You guys let us know which one look the best on her. Start with this one right here.
1,000, 10.
Personally, I give it a 10.
You have a 10, I like that.
It's a good wig. You get what I'm saying? Like the bundles are full, it's super silky, and it's like, you can tell the hair takes really good with color.
8s and 10s.
Yeah, another 9, I see a 10, I see a 10.
So can you come pick up your clothes? Oh, I got a 9? Period. They said it's cute though.
100,000, 10,000. Oh,
Like,
they
literally,
love
like-
this one. Yeah, we got the winner, we got the winner. Yeah, just the wig that we're gonna get installed. Highlight today. Okay, that was good.
Yeah, that was like,
Right? Well, when it comes to business, back in the days, you could just like sell the hair being behind the scene. That was cool. But nowadays in business, you have to be in the camera. You have to make it a little TikTok. That's what clients like. And we have our beauty model, Tyler. She got her hair done. She got her makeup done out here in Atlanta.
in the outfit.
And an outfit, let's not forget that. Why are we in Atlanta? Because HairQueen LA teamed up with Kariah Hair Salon here in Atlanta. And now you can come to this salon, purchase HairQueen LA wigs, bundles, and get it installed all in one stop. And her hair looks amazing. It got done by the one and only Pinkyy Da Baddest. Thank you. Everyone is getting a goodie bag. Woo! You have a 10, 10,
Thank you.
100,000,
11, 100.
10. Okay, they're loving your hair. Let's go! I will randomly put my hand in here, select a number. If it matches, the first winner wins 1 bundle. Second winner wins 3 bundles. And the third winner wins a free wig. Any wig of their choice on the display. Woo! And the first winner is number 4.
Oh, I'm number 4.
Oh! Second winner wins 1 bundle. And then boom, 9.
It's all the people in the shop.
Number 2.
3.
Can I see a winning number?
We got so excited.
This is 8. I'm joking. Here's the winner of the free wig in Atlanta. Yeah! Come on, turn around. Let's see which one you're gonna choose.
Oh, yeah. I just like the blonde.
Blonde. Is the winner?
That might be the winner.
Is the winner?
That's the winner.
Yeah! There you have it. Congratulations to you. Atlanta, we are done. Next up, Miami. Moyo is coming to Miami. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye. Miami, I'm coming. I'm on the way. Stay ready. Atlanta was a success. I met a lot of amazing people, and I cannot wait to come back to Miami. Let's go.